Hello my yarny friends. Today I'm going to explain to you the membership levels for joining my YouTube channel if you wish. I don't know if you've noticed when you've clicked on my channel, I've got a little join button, and if you click there it will take you to the two levels that I have. I have a sapphire and a diamond level, and you will be called Linda's Gemstones, so you'll be my gemstones. I couldn't decide what to call you, but I love the sapphire is my birthstone and the diamond is my husband's, so why not? Why not? So I decided on the two levels. So for the sapphire, which is the level 1, you'll get your loyalty badge next to your name when you comment and I go live. I will also, when I do my live chats, I will give shout outs to your channels, and I will also put the description of your channel and the link in the description box to your channel. And now that's level 1, sapphire. Now level 2 is diamond, and that includes all the perks from the sapphire level, but when I'm on live chat, Nightbot will drop your link every 10 to 15 minutes, whether you can attend or not the live streams. It does, your links will there, so I'm representing you as well as myself. I will do every 3rd month on a Sunday, I will do a members only live stream where we can have coffee and chat and get to know one another, and I think that would be really good, and I'm quite excited about that actually. So you mean a lot to me. You are my family, my YouTube family. And for those of you who decide not to join the membership, nothing changes for you. You're still valued members of my family, and I hope you continue to support me whether you join or not. There's no pressure. And another thing I want to mention, if at any time in the future you wish to cancel a membership, then that is fine. You just cancel it. So say you cancel on the 2nd, 3rd of the month, and you still have the rest of the month where I will continue to drop your links, shout out about your channel until the end of that particular month. So nothing, you'll still, for that month that you've already paid, you will still get shout outs put in the description box depending on what level of the membership you decide to join. I do support a few of my fellow YouTubers by being members of their channels, and I hope that this is clear for you. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I will get back to you. So once again, thank you all so much for subscribing. I hope to see you all again on YouTube streets. Take care. Bye bye for now.